Hello, my name is Adrian Sorosi. I'm the Chief Customer Officer at Axelos. Axelos is the home of global best practice, with a rich portfolio of frameworks in ITSM, project, program and portfolio management, as well as cyber resilience. Millions of alumni have become certified in the last 20 years in over 150 countries globally, bringing billions of dollars of value to companies and skills development for staff. ITIL is the world's largest framework for managing IT services. It's a starting point. It's meant to be adapted to each organization's needs. There's a common misconception that ITIL says we must do something. That couldn't be further from the truth. If anything, the only thing that ITIL says is that guidance must be adapted to the specific needs of the business, and there should be focus on constantly improving and learning. Where ITIL provides the what, ITIL Practitioner provides the how. ITIL Practitioner covers aspects of service management that other publications don't cover. Our other books focus on the service life cycle, service strategy, design, transition, and so on. ITIL Practitioner covers how to manage stakeholders, good organizational change management, and being sensitive to business culture, how to design good metrics and measure them. Importantly, there's 9 guiding principles which encourage things like transparency, agility, and collaboration, all essential themes in today's modern IT world. ITIL Practitioner provides useful content for any professional on their ITIL journey at any point in their career after having taken ITIL Foundation. Both the individual and the team can level up with ITIL Practitioner. We work in collaboration with over 1,500 partners globally. Key partners like Quint have been consistently delivering top quality training experiences for years in ITIL and our broader portfolio. Quint are an excellent choice for you to consider your onward certification and leveling up with ITIL Practitioner. Thank you.